Hey there folks, Margaret Klein coming to you from 385 Knox McRae in Titusville, and I've got this super cute little townhouse listed at 185. So we're going to cruise right in here, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse. We'll go into this first bedroom. Nice big first bedroom here, so we do have lots of space. Even though this is technically your guest bedroom, you could definitely put a queen size or king size bed, big nightstand. Do have a tub shower combo down here. Super nice little area, kind of private if you have some guests over, or if you wanted a downstairs bedroom for yourself, definitely have some space there. Got some pretty counters, cabinets, tray ceiling, lots of cabinet space, dishwasher. Still doing our final clean out and everything here, so excuse the stuff. Do have a pantry right here, and if you go over to this side where we walked in, we actually have another very large pantry area. So room for your dining right outside the kitchen here, and then we move into your living room area. Nice big space, kitchen, front door. We are going to be going upstairs to the master, but as you can see, these ceilings are super high. Got a couple skylights. And we're going to go ahead and cruise upstairs real quick. Sorry, you're going to have to bear with me while we climb these stairs. Not as young as I used to be, can only go so fast. So this little area here is a super cool little nook for a table, desk, whatever you want to put here to hang out. And of course, we are upstairs, so let's take a quick peek. Alrighty, and into the master. Sorry, that got a little wonky there. Huge master bedroom up here. So again, king bed, dressers, nightstands, chest, plenty of room for everything. And bathroom, sink area, and up here we have a shower. So if you don't like stepping into that tub, we do have a nice shower area there. High windows, plenty of light in here. And you're gonna have to bear with me on our trip down the stairs again so that we can go outside and check out that patio. Try to give you a little view while I'm walking. But nice screened in patio out here. Closet there for some extra stuff. And do have a little bit of a yard here, so we are an end unit. This little townhouse here is eligible for FHA, conventional, of course cash offers. So if you'd like your own private showing, please give me a call. My name again is Margaret. My phone number is 321-480-7662. Please don't hesitate to call. And if you already have a real estate agent, just let them know that you're interested in 385 Knox McRae in Titusville, and they'll get you in here for a private showing. Thanks, and you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.